we're inviting the court to exercise its inherent power, jurisdiction, to punish for contempt of its orders which were issued. And that's what we're inviting the court to punish the governor of Kajiado for contravening or threatening to contravene the orders which were issued by this honorable court. I'm not going to talk about the logos and everything. This logo is not the correct logo, this is that logo. That's a technicality, my lord. The clip has already been played from the official governor's, not his personal Facebook account, but the official Facebook account of county government of Kajiado, and the caption below is very clear. KWS has been given an ultimatum of 7 days to get out of Amboseli. So, my lord, the question is that a private or an official communication, as council is trying to attribute, that these are private political remarks of a governor? When a governor is citing the president of the republic, having given the park to people of Kajiado, and is citing the transitional instruments, which are the subject matter of this petition, and is also issuing official declarations on a state agency, is that a political remark? That is the question which we have addressed in our submissions, that these are official statements by the governor, and the same statements are not being made in a public forum somewhere in the county of Kajiado. They are being made at the very gate of Amboseli Park, which this court has issued status quo ante orders that it be restored back to KWS. So you convene press conference in front of a disputed, in front of a subject matter, which in front of the subject matter which is before the court, and you issue remarks calling upon your constituents, they'll invade that particular park and take it. And then now you come back and say, these are private political remarks. I don't think so, my lord, and I called upon the court to take appropriate action. In any event, the governor has not sworn any apology. He has not sworn any affidavit. As a governor of Kajiado County, and Article 179, which we have already stated, that is the chief executive officer of the county government of Kajiado, is the political leader of the county under Section 30. He has not filed any written apology before this court. He has not sworn an affidavit to explain his actions. His actions are being submitted from the bar by the county attorney. So we ask the court that the governor should be invited before this court, as we have prayed in prayer number 3, and explain himself. Either he purge the contempt or he be punished, because they can't say that these are speculative action, my lord. When parties are before court litigating over subject matter, and then one of the parties goes in front of the subject matter and issues an ultimatum that he'll come and invade that subject matter, yet he is a principal litigant before the court, they cannot argue that this is speculative. Had this court not issued the orders that it issued and said, today we'll be speaking of something else, we'll not be having any petition before court, because the Mar community, as the governor was calling them, they will have already invaded the park and taken over the gates and started collecting revenue, which is against the law. So, my lord, we do submit that we have proved the contempt application, and we do ask the court to allow the prayers you have sought. Thank you very much.